Hi guys, what's up? Good morning. I want to show you guys my day routine, and it's not really a regular routine. It's something I will do today, and well, every day I do something different. Depends on what I have to do. And today I will sort out my garden. So we'll show you guys my plants because I've planted a lot of stuff, and so far the seeds they came out and I forgot what exactly I planted, so I want to show you so maybe you can tell me what are those plants, because I'm not really good at gardening. I'm just a learning student if you could say that. So every morning you see those guys, they always come. Those birds, they everywhere. You can consider them as additional birds too, because they always chill outside. You guys see them? So I did my laundry so far, and yeah, that's the first thing I did when I woke up in the morning after I took my kids to school and I came home back. Today we jog outside with Errol because he's trying to fix himself, because as you guys know he's injured, so I try to help him. I try to make him feel motivated, and I really want him to feel better, because I think family support is really important here, and demotivation also. So don't really pay attention at my yard because rain was falling and we have a lot of wild bush. It came out. It's coming out so quick, so we can't really control it. But as soon as the rain season finish, we will sort it out. So yeah guys, but for now I think it will be unnecessary work for us, so we're just taking it easy as so it goes. So yes, I'm gonna show you now my mini garden, because I really almost gave up on gardening, but then I bought a very tasty watermelon, and for me it's rare. I buy very sweet watermelon. Normally for me it's hard to find sweet watermelon. Maybe I am unlucky, but I saved my seeds and I planted it. So I'm gonna show you so you guys can guess what came out and what those plants are, because I have no idea. So here comes my little garden, and I will pluck out the wild bush today. Here, so I will make it pretty, because if the wild bush will take over my plants, they probably will die, so I don't want it to happen. I want to keep it nice and neat, and I want to know what plants are good and what plants are bad, so I'm gonna get rid of bad plants and leave only stuff that probably can grow. Well, I put hope in it. So yeah, so this is the first stuff that came out, and I don't really know what is this, but I think either this is a pumpkin or either this is a cucumber. But guys, have you any idea? Or maybe tomato. It looks more like tomato, right? Yeah. So I also plant lettuce. I think this baby is a baby lettuce, but I'm not sure. This one, it's definitely a lettuce, but here is a wild bush. Yeah, so I have to get rid of it. I think it's a wild bush, or no, or it's not a wild bush. Well, I don't know, but both of them looks presentable. Doesn't really look like a wild bush. So yeah, so I will work on it now. And guys, I'm gonna show you after my pretty garden. So I will do it with my cutlass, and I will just go like this. I'll see the wild one and I will get rid of it like that. That way is very easy to take them out. So here, make sure you take it out with the root, so this thing will not come back. This is a wild stuff. I don't know what it is, but it has to go. This one is wild too, so just continue do that stuff, plucking them out, cleaning my garden. I think I pluck out the lettuce. I have to put it back.
Yeah, pluck out the lettuce.
Yeah.
See a wolf for lettuce?
Yeah, I have. I will eat them. I love lettuce.
Yeah.
You see
okay.
them?
Yeah,
You see them here? This one, those ones are lettuce.
Yeah, so I see them, don't kill them.
Yeah.
So you know what is weed from lettuce?
I'm guessing, you know.
I guess.
I don't really know.
I guess.
But I'm guessing. So I hope I will not take out good stuff.
Yeah, that's a weed for sure.
Oh, yeah,
and them tall one over the corner, they're weed.
And this one is the one that you know, like the one.
So the one there is like tomato.
Yeah, this one is tomato, I think.
Yeah.
And this one, I guess, if a cucumber or tomato too. I don't know. Can be tomato, no? Or watermelon.
No, watermelon, the most start running like a vine already. I think.
Look like a pumpkin, but we never really plant pumpkin.
Yeah, you plant so much seed, we're not sure what is it.
Yeah, plant a lot. Just throw all seeds that I had. Everything in one pot.
So guys, we just done run. Just done run like a 5k. It's Swaggy. And then Swaggy to check up sort out our farm. It's been raining a lot, as you guys know, because of storm. What's the storm name again? Delta? Yeah, I think a Delta is name. Look at Delta rain. Go to the yard. And so you planted these seeds during Delta time.
Best time to plant your stuff.
Yes, farm, bro.
It will come out for sure. The rain is falling, it's soaking, not a joke rain. It's a soaking rain, so yeah. So
yes, farm, everyone.
yeah. And people always say push up too much in the supermarket.
Plant.
Supermarket.
Super. What kind of word that?
Supermarket.
Supermarket.
Yeah.
Yeah, the mother says, so you cultivate your land. Farmer girl. Yeah, so make it bigger. We're starting right here.
Yeah.
We used to have a big garden right here, so you know.
Small.
We'll go away.
Yeah.
They all died.
Yeah.
So yeah, start it back small. And look how we can open these stones.
I'll just dig it a little bit. So get a look here.
Yeah, so the Russian farmer them do it.
Yeah, so Jamaicans they do it too.
Yeah. You know enough though. We'll get here. Go there, my boss.
Yes, guys.
Eat some here.
Gardening sessions with Swaggy. Need to start a new program.
Gardening
with Swaggy. And I will name it, I'll have a motto. I learn, you learn. Because I don't know nothing about gardening.
I learn, you learn.
Yeah.
I learn, you teach. Yeah, they can teach you in the comments how to make your garden the right way. May you pluck up to the lettuce them in the youth.
Yo.
Not easy farmer girl, not easy.
And you know some Russian seeds when I brought them, some of them they don't come out because the climate is not
right.
suitable for those seeds.
Yeah guys.
So I can't plant like all my Russian stuff that I want. Yeah.
Some of the stuff they plant are better in the cold climate.
Yeah.
Okay, I get you.
And regular rain.
Yeah, I'm not like more sunshine
Well,
city.
if I would live on the hill, I probably could plant them, but like we live on the land,
Yeah.
so we have to work with the land climate, you know.
Yeah.
You have to work with what we have and give thanks.
You know, show your people them scallion pot to everyone in the car. You know what?
I need to clean the pot also.
Yeah. Let's go look at the scallion pot.
Wait. Let me give ear to my babies. I'll give a little ear to the babies.
You guys, at least so you make me not for buy scallion.
The
babies them. So you scallion thing set, you know. Just go on outside, go pluck out that scallion, you know.
Yeah, scallion is always there.
Yeah, always there. For sure.
Someone can sell scallion.
So we can sell it to your neighbors. But remember how we used to have tomato till we have to give it to the lady right there, so?
We gave away our watermelon too.
Yeah, we give away watermelon.
Yeah, we had more watermelons. Like I remember when we left
neighbors,
Jamaica, we still had
and neighbors come take them and say, sweetest watermelon, man.
Yeah, because I kept the sweetest seeds. I planted the sweetest seeds and made sure.
Yeah, make sure watermelon set.
Because I don't know about for people, but for me, barely I buck up on the sweet watermelon. Barely. So now for a more and stuff.
Yeah.
Lettuce is expensive in Jamaica, so you better know.
Yeah.
I ain't come for play.
Let's plant that, my boss. Let's plant that, my boss.
Yeah. I ain't come for play.
Oh, sun hot dog.
For first time my lettuce came out. First time lettuce
yeah, because normally you plant them, then they come out.
Last time I planted them 3 times. Good thing I had a lot of seeds. Yeah, so I planted them 3 times. And just know this rainy season helped me to make them come out, you know?
Yeah. Is that because the sun come out hot now? This evening?
Alright, that's it.
Let's go look for your scallion. This evening you have to think this swaggy. You have to soak the ground evening time. That means that by the time sun come out, it's not really burn them up.
Sometimes when the heat season is there, it not help me there too. So you know.
Yeah, I guess not better since Christmas.
Heat season you have to have the roof where you're gonna keep your plants under the roof. So that way they will
not get so much sun. Maybe we need to buy a piece of mesh and put a little roof.
Guys, this is my yellow. The yellow is good to have. It's good for your scars. You have your cut, you just cut it, slice it, and put it on your cut. So the way it will heal much faster. You don't need no betadine, nothing. Just put yellow. It's natural, and you know.
Normally, good for eat. Good for eat.
Natural and free.
Natural and free.
Yeah,
so
those are my scallions, but looks like the bush should take over, you know?
Yeah.
I have to move.
Yeah, move the bush so people can see a skeleton.
But I always cook with it.
Scallion bush.
Yeah.
You pull out that one there.
No. It's okay. I can manage it.
Right.
Yeah. This is what?
That's
this
wild.
One is bull.
Big and wild.
Where it came from? Come out. Where?
Come out of my things. So next one, this wild too.
Yeah, wait, something here. You see it grow straight in your good something, you know, and destroy it. Because you have to make sure you take them out from the good ones, because they will eventually destroy.
Yeah. So this was first for me that was swaggy for me to plant everything in our pot. So we can keep them at the side of the house out of the sun.
Yeah.
That way the things them not get so much heat. Or we can always move the pot based on the shade of the house.
Yeah.
So I'll probably just buy some more pot and just line them off right there, so and make you put all your thing them in the pot. Like normally by 1 o'clock the sun comes here, so and on the next side of the house cool. So like a lot of work, but I think so if you have like 6 pot you can move them.
Yeah.
You have a pepper tree, a tomato tree, everything.
Yeah.
That's why I get a little scallion.
Need more water. It looks kind of like
thin out.
struggling.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's okay. Me too.
So we just come pluck our scallion.
Yeah, when I'm ready.
When she's ready.
Yeah.
Which is every day.
Every day, come on.
Every day. And so you have them, see them pretty tree over here. The Texas thing.
Oh,
The
yeah.
bees, them flood.
Those are,
So these are soggy
yeah.
garden trees. Use them for go side of the fence.
Yeah.
See them pretty with some purple flowers on them.
Yeah.
Yeah, serious. We do plan for run it all around the yard.
Only thing that grows good here, you know?
Yeah, in all weather. No matter what these
bushes.
water them or not.
Look, butterfly. Can almost catch it in my hand. They're so unbothered here. Like they're not afraid of people.
Yeah, and the bees them unbothered too.
Bees here.
This thing, so these trees bring so many bees. See them? Shade.
So after morning workout, I will take a shower. We can't just be sweaty and wetty. So I'm going to the shower. Alright guys, so I finished shower and now I'm gonna do a little spa, my face spa, and give my face a 15 minutes relax time. But you know what happened since I got my birth control implant, this one, I have a lot of bumps on my face, so I don't know what, if it is a reaction. So I have next week, my next appointment is next week, and I really want to ask the doctor if it's okay, because when I was on my previous implant, my face was clean and I don't eat junk. I didn't change my food habits, so it has to be this implant. So I will need definitely to discuss it with my doctor, because like every day I wake up every day and I see more and more bumps on my face, and those bumps are like huge bumps, not small bumps. So I think I will need to do something about it, because I don't know, but I don't want to take it out either. So I have to definitely see my doctor. So now I'm going to do my face mask. I'll just wash my face. I'll just wash my face with soap, nothing much. I just use a normal soap for my face because I don't really believe in those fancy soaps. Well, I used to use them, but for me they don't really make a weather. So one thing I just want to do with my face is to clean it. So I will just use a normal soap bar. But make sure you use the mild soap, like Dove with the cream liquid inside, not the hard soap, because it can damage your skin. So use soaps like Dove or other brands, soft ones. And now I will just catch my hair just to make sure my mask will not touch it, because I don't want to wash my hair today. I'll just rub it and do my mask. And this is purifying mask, Korean mask. I love Korean stuff. Korean cosmetic is always on point and less chemicals. I believe in Korean cosmetic. I don't know about you guys, but I've lived in Asia for 5 years and I've used so many brands. I've tried a lot, from American brands to Korean to local Vietnamese brands. And for me, the best option for me is Korean cosmetic, guys. Korean cosmetic is on point. So just rub it and leave it on my face for 15 minutes. You look beautiful. Yeah, that's it. By the way, the mask that I use is this one. So you could get it in America because I got it in America. I bought it in Marshalls, so it cost me only $2 with the discount. So this mask is nothing expensive, not a luxury cosmetic. It's just a normal mask. I think I'm ready to give myself 15 minutes sit and prepare for the next round because I'm gonna cook and I have to cook a lot of stuff. I have to bake today because we are running out of bread, so I need to make my own bread and I bake my white bread myself. I love it because it comes out just right, and my husband, he loves it too, and the recipe is so easy, so fast, nothing difficult, and it's just nice. So I'm gonna show you guys also my bread recipe and how I bake my bread. Yeah, and now I'm just gonna relax for 15 minutes, maybe watch my TV, do something, check my email, check my YouTube comments, like them for you guys. So yeah, that's what I do. Like this 15 minutes I'm gonna use to check my comments and like them. Guys, thank you for your support one more time. I really appreciate your support, and when I have time, I like the comments, but most of the times, like Saturday and Sunday, I barely check my phone because I have 2 kids to run down, and yeah, I have no time on Saturdays and Sundays, and I do it in the morning. Like Monday after Sunday, I will come and check my comments and like them, but Saturday and Sunday, it's a problem time. So a lot of people actually telling me happy birthday, but guys, it's not my birthday yet. My birthday is 25 October, and yes, I woke up in the morning and I saw a lot of happy birthdays, but I guess I told in my previous video, I told that my birthday month, it is my birthday month, so maybe people misunderstood it. But guys, 25, and you all are invited. Just make sure you carry me a gift. Here, so thank you. So I'm gonna like those nice comments and block those sore comments because sometimes I got them. I'm like, damn, people have time on that stuff. Like, come on. What is somebody suggest me to try gel or next gen. It lasts long and it does not interfere with your daily activities as a mom. Or I guess it's nail advice. What is next gen? Have no idea what is that, guys. But anyway, this comment sounds good, so I'm gonna give it a like. Yeah, so that's what I do. That's what I do in this 15 minutes break. Then I will have to go back to the kitchen and cook some soup for my kids because they love soup, chicken noodle soup, and I will bake bread, plus I will make some stewed chicken for us because Errol is not full with the soup, so I have to give him some real food. So I will have to curry chicken probably. I have rice and peas from yesterday here, so that's gonna be the option for us for today. And I also will record it so you guys can see how it's going. Yeah, now I will just make something with my hair because my hair is a little bit wet, so I have to brush it, and then I will plait my hair because I will cook a lot, so my hair will not touch the food, so I have to catch it. So that's how it looks. Simple and love it. Nothing bothers you. No hair, don't care. Alright, so let's start cook because time is going and I have to be on time because at 1:30 we have to be at our school gate, our kids' school gate, because their school finishes at 1:30. No, yes, 1:30. Friday it's 1 o'clock, so 1:30 I have to pick my kids from school. So I'm gonna make soup first. I will start boiling my water and then I will put my chicken in the boiling water. So here I'm doing my kids soup, so soup for the kids, and then I will show you how I cook my bread, how I bake my bread here. So let's go. So first I will need my 2 cups of flour, 2 of those. After, I'll just have a plastic container and shake it a little bit. Then I will repeat the procedure. Just right. Looks much better. So now I'm gonna add another ingredient. Teaspoon. Let's add 1 teaspoon of sugar. I will use just the white sugar, normal white sugar. We'll add my sugar, only 1. Yeah, so this is my salt. As you guys see, my homemade salt jar. So I will use a half here, guys, just a half. And sprinkle my salt, 1 teaspoon of yeast. Be careful with the yeast because they are very messy and they're little and you can drop them easy. See, guys? Yeah, I just sprinkle them too. I will need my warm water, not hot, warm. Yeah, because the yeast, they have to start, work. They rehabilitate, warm water. So let's bring them to life. 210 milliliters. I just used baby buckle or old baby buckle. I use it because I have a measurement here. I can measure water proper here. After I will add a little bit of oil. I have a canola oil, but I nearly forgot, guys. I use only 110 milliliters, so the rest water I will just throw it away because it depends on how rich your flour is. If your flour is really strong, you might use more water, but if your flour is not that strong, you might use less water. Also like this, and leave it for 30 minutes, and after I will come back to it and continue work with my flour. It's not the end. So I season it, I curd it. So now I will add my veggies. Add my chicken broth, and now I'm gonna just stir it. So now I will set my timer for my bread. Here it's 400, and the timer will be 25 minutes, but I'll just give it 5 minutes extra to heat the oven. So here, but it will be 425 minutes. Okay, it's ready. Let's wait. Let's see what the result will look like. Okay.
Yeah.
Teaching Errol how to cook so he can survive.
Vinegar and Russia.
Yeah.
Make sure you put meaty part in the sugar, not bony part. Don't waste the sugar. Make sure you put every piece separate. Don't put one on one, yeah? Make sure everything.
See that?
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're gonna make it fry a little bit and put some ketchup and more curry and stew it again. Oh, everything is boiling, everything is getting ready. The soup. Oh, by the way, I put my pumpkin already, my potato, put seasoning, and there. Bread is there. Yes, it will finish next like 6 minutes. 6 minutes left. So situation looks really good. Jabba, situation looks really good. Okay. Here comes bread. Smells really good. I wish guys you could smell it. Smells really good. Like real homemade bread. And now back to the curry chicken. I just add some ketchup and now I'm mixing it. And the reason why I don't add my Scotch bonnet pepper in a soup, because the soup, kids eat the soup and they don't eat spicy. So if you cook for your kids, stay far from this stuff. But I love it. I love spicy. It's like Scotch bonnet. It's not a chili pepper. It's much mild. It's more mild and it gives just that unique taste.
Without it, I think it would be different. But I love it. My food, when I eat, I put it. So now I will just put water to cover my chicken. And after, I'll just wait for the results. Okay.
Final look of our lunch, and now we're gonna eat it and go to pick up the kids from school. Yeah, that's how today I spent my first part of my day cooking, and yeah, I got a little jogging time with my husband, and after I was just doing my stuff, what I have to do as a nice wife. Yeah, and now let's see how Errol will like that meal. Errol made his lemonade. Okay, give it a try, Errol. You took a part today in cooking, little part.
Little part?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know take a shot.
Tastes good?
Yeah, chicken shot. I
What?
want chicken like that. Chicken chef. Who seasons
Chicken chef. I'll call you chicken chef.
Who seasons this? Wow.
I season it, you just mix it. Come on, dude. But it tastes good.
The hands.
Alright, guys. See you next time. We're gonna enjoy our meal and drink our lemonade.
Yes.